Hey, welcome back. So today in this video, I will show you how to reset or restart a Simple One. As we all know that Simple One has some minor bugs, few of them. So in this video, we will see how to reset this scooter, which will remove all of the bugs which come sometime. So stay tuned and watch the whole video to know the steps.
So, what does what do I mean by resetting or restarting the simple one? Now, you all know that all EVs out there, be it the simple, be it the Ather, or be it the Ola, all use something called as AOSP, which is Android based open software system, okay, platform. So, basically, all these electric scooters are based on Android systems. Okay, the dashboard which they use are Android based softwares. So they just like our smartphones. Now, what do I mean by restarting or resetting? So consider if our smartphones have any issues related, anything like you do not get the network or the phone is just behaving uh, very wrong or it's not functioning properly or the battery is draining fast. We just hold the power button for some time and the phone will restart when we click the restart option. So in this case, it's the same with respect to the one. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to hold a couple of buttons just like we hold it in a smartphone, and then for a few seconds, same as on the simple one, and the scooter will restart. Now, every step I will show you. So this is what I mean by restarting the simple one. For the beginners, what I'm gonna do is I'll currently put it on the parking mode just so that the hazards function. I will turn off some of the features. Like for example, let's turn off. We'll go to customize and see I've turned off the parking assistant and I will turn off maybe these two, the exit light and the drop safe. So when we restart, everything will be activated. Okay, note everything will be activated now. Remember, I have turned off the parking assistant, exit light, and drop safe. So when we restart, these all three functions will be on. To restart, the one is holding the front brake, holding the reverse button, and the center play pause button, all three at the same time. So let me hold it, and when to hold it is turn the key off. Okay, and when your key is in the off position, you have to hold it that time for around 20 seconds. Okay, so let's hold front brake, center button, and the reverse button. We'll wait for 20 seconds. I held these three combinations and now we'll check. I will turn on the key. It won't make any sound right now. Okay, the key will be on, and this is how the animation will come. Now the scooter is booting from the start. Okay, headlights are on, everything is on, all the functions also will work. See, if I turn on the indicator, indicators are working. Okay, now this boot up will take around a minute or so. So just you can check, I will show you how it looks. See, simple starting. You might have seen that the Android geeks out there, the tech geeks, know that means the Android is starting. That comes only when Android system is rebooted. Okay, so now you can see the scooter has restarted successfully. Now we'll go in the settings and we'll check which all options were disabled. They should be enabled now. Customize. Let's see. We have turned off the parking assistant, the exit light, and the drop safe. Wow! And that's turned on now. Okay, so this is how you simply and easily restart or reboot your one. So this is my beautiful helmet which I unboxed and reviewed in the last video. And here are the beautiful Minecraft style lights which are turned on right now. And yeah, this was it for this video. Hope this video was very informative and knowledgeable. Hope you learned something new about P1. And yeah, this was it for the video. Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified for such EV, car, bike, and DIYs related content. Till then, see you in the next one.